Yo, what's up? Today's video, I'm gonna be working on my Gtag. So yeah. So I'm gonna be adding the Fortnite emote wheel and bedroom mod. I mean, there's already a bedroom. No, I'm not getting techno tag. Brother. Thank you so much for 900 subscribers, guys. We're literally about to make it to 1,000. I'm so grateful. Like, for real. Thank y'all. Hello, everybody. Welcome to getting tag. Alright, guys. It's doing its thing. And now I got errors. Great. 9 errors? What, man? Alright, I already know how to fix. So, gorilla, tagger. Jeez, what is the 162, I think? Yeah. Public. And then. Alright. So, I made a new PFP, guys. I get it, I kind of look like Ray Plays, but I'm not Ray Plays. So, as you can see, I got no errors anymore. Look at that. No errors! I was gonna name this Fortnite emote wheel. It's like that. Alright. So now no more errors. I'm gonna add this as should work now. Let's turn this off. Fortnite emote wheel. And then just drag it there. Now it should work. Wait, I forgot to enable the normal order. Alright. So, see if this works. Turn on. Oh, I forgot to put a mesh render. Yeah, none of these have mesh renders. Alright, that should work. Alright, guys. I'm about to make it a 1,000, guys. Like, I'm so happy, grateful. Like, thank you. Never expected to blow up. Never expected that. So let's see if this works. Alright, it's pressed B. Now fully working. Look at that. This doesn't work when I'm in a thing. When I'm in a lobby. Alright, now I'm in a lobby. Look at that. Microphone works. So if I control this, it's kind of like the PC version. Should work. Yeah, fully working. Look at that. I don't know why that emote is kind of cringe, to be honest. V. Now I'm back. So yeah, it's pretty much like the PC version. We also moved like this a little thing. We're gonna be adding computer interface, and I'm not copying Gtag, but so then we also got Fortnite emote wheel. I can also turn it off, just like that. And then we got mirror. As you can see, the mirror is enabled. Look at that. And then turn it off. It's gone. So pretty cool. You can like enable mirrors and all that. So just like that. And then we got the bedroom mod. It's like that. And move, it's enabled. Look at that. Really nice. So then you can just disable it now. And then mod menus. This. You can enable all these mod menus, but there's nothing yet. Disable. It's like that. And now it should work. So all I gotta disable is this button. Should work. And then I'll just disable all this. What? Oh wait, this is disabled. Mod menus, hat button, should work. Alright, so now I got this. Enable custom wardrobe. Everything's enabled. Disable. Now everything works. Look at that. So now I can like put on stuff and all that. There'll be like more mod menus soon. But yeah, everything fully working. Servers work. I'm gonna go back to Stump. Yeah, computer works, I'm pretty sure. Look at that. I was just inspired. I just kind of like wanted to make Gtag style. But yeah, let's add the computer interface and custom key sounds. So, where is the computer interface? Gotta find it. Alright. So time to add the computer interface. Where did I find it from? I swear I found it from a server. Sure, from this thing. Maybe this one will work. I'll just use this one. That one looks good. Alright, now the computer interface is imported. Now I can just disable this. Disable monitor. And then this little thing can just get dragged out of here. Just like that. And then this little thing, just get out of here. Get out. Get it. Alright, now there's no thing. Then import, wait, I already have the package. Interface. Ooh, this looks tough. This actually looks really tough, to be honest. Why is it invisible? Game. Why is it invisible? Maybe I just scale it up. Oh, wait. It's like down here or something? Gang. Where is this thing? Set property. Position. Oh, okay. It's right there. Where is the thing? Oh, right here. Set property. Position. Gang. Where's that property? Rotation. Alright. Then, why is it like that? Gang. Alright, now it's in Stump. Look at that. No, it's not. Why does this actually look so tough? Like, it actually looks tough. I think they use this in Super Tag because it looks familiar. Yeah, this looks like Super Tag. It's a gorilla. If you don't, I mean, most people have it, but it's like a Gorilla Tag copy with mods. And it's pretty cool. This looks actually tough. It's like tough toast. This can get scaled up a bit. Maybe just like that. No, I think that's too big. Yeah, that's way too big. Alright, that's good. Just like that. And then, credits to Root Beer. He made it. What is this thing? My God. It's kind of hard, to be honest. Looks tough. This actually looks so tough. Pretty tough. And then Gorilla Player. Gorilla Player. Now I gotta import the key sounds. So where is it? Maybe here? Sorry guys, I'm just looking for a computer interface thing. Should I also add custom faces? I'm gonna add it. Where's Gorilla Player? Gorilla Tagger. Material data. Dang, why can I not find the key? Sorry guys, I just gotta watch a tutorial. I don't know how to do this. Welcome. I rotate it so it gets like a good scale. So just make sure to rotate it and move it about the same with the logging on text, which is the data, I believe. Yeah, the data, and you're gonna make sure to use this as well on the data text, or else not all of the text will read. But it's like, and you'll see the computer interface sound. Keyboard key. Umbrella close. Keyboard key, I found it, finally. What's this? Oh god, no. Should work. No. Alright, that should work. Finally found it. Should fully work. So yeah. Time to make the mod menu. Meta menu. And then empty theme. And then create an empty. Call this pages. And then just gonna create a queue. Radial queue. Start. Alright, time to add the thing. I'm just gonna add like this. It looks like maybe like fade. Fade. Looks good. Maybe that's a bit too bright for y'all. So pink. Maybe like green. And then duplicate. Border. Looks tough. Move. Boom. Beam. Should work. Alright. So then pages. Create an empty. Cube. I'm just going to duplicate this. Let's do this. Gonna add the text. Oh, wait, I forgot to add a canvas. I always forget this. Why is the text so squished? Alright, that's back. I'll I'll make a live stream when it's done, by the way. You also definitely sub to me like for real. Thank you. Long arms. All right. That doesn't fit. Looks tough. And then box. It's object only. Yeah, this should work. Oh, how goes? There's already a long arm. Banana with so many butts in here. Long arms. And then this can have banana. So and then I'll just paste. All right. Then goes to speed. No tag freeze. Fade to empty. No tag freeze. No tag freeze. Tag freeze. Empty. No tag freeze. No tag freeze. Tag freeze. All right. Then now the mod is that. Then fly. And then I'm just gonna create an empty call this fly. Fly with a gorilla layer. Left hand control. Wait, no, that's right hand, and then right hand 20. Fly. And then yeah, long arms again. Text. Um, let's start. I already did a fly. Like, look at that. So, mods, or mod menu, up and down. Let's do ghost monkey. Ghost monkey. Ghost monkey. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Ghost monkey. Turn it off. Ghost monkey. I will probably do a free finger painter, but it's gonna have to be trusted user. All right, now that all the mods should work, time to add a next page. Don't mind the size. I'm just gonna scale it down. Well, thank you, TK Blocks. They got sub to your channel as well. It's a little bit glitchy. Should be better. Okay. Let me see this bit. It's tough. Like for so tough. I'm not gonna rush through this, by the way. Actually, taking my time. Wait, no. This looks tough. So tough. Not a banana OS mini button run fast. Should also add custom materials. Should be good. That might be good. Alright, this should be tough. Looks super tough. And then this other thing. Just gonna duplicate this. Page 1 is going to be page 2. Page 2, besides that. Alright. And then this mod is going to be called short arms mods. Short arms. Short arm. Gorilla layer. Alright. Short arms. Go here. Also speed. Is going to be super monkey. Super monkey. Super monkey. And then super monkey. Never used this mod before. Never. Let me go here. Local via rig. And then head, I think. Should work. And then super monkey. Wait, that's the wrong one. Super monkey. Super monkey. And then no tag freeze. It's going to be tag freeze. Or maybe no clip. No clip is a good mod. No clip. No clip mod. Right? Turn it off. No clip. And then this is going to be thank y'all for watching. Um what does this one do? Tag sound spammer, I guess. How do they create these scripts, gang? What other mods are in here? Let's do Iron Monkey. Iron Monkey. Iron Man. Off. This is probably easier. And then Ghost Monkey. Monkey. Fly. Gorilla Car. Gorilla Car. gorilla car. 20, maybe 30. And then uh, main camera. No, gorilla player. And then main camera. Just like that. And then pretty much done. Just can get disabled. See that. Page 1. This is next page, so objects to disable. Page 1. Objects to enable. Page 2. And then this button is going to be objects to disable. Page 2. Objects to enable. Page 1. It's like that. Now it should fully working. Should fully work. And then this. It's like that. Let's put on my gorilla hand. That's good. It's a bit too far. Alright, turn it off. Right now. Go to gorilla hand. Hand.l. What is this thing? Hand.l. And turn off. Off. And then I'm just gonna call this menu manager. Menu manager. Alright. So then menu manager. Gorilla. Wait, no. Menu. Meta. Menu. It's like that. Should work. Now it's time to add more menus. Ha ha ha. Somebody released my game on public app lab, but I just don't know what the thing is.
Yo, what is
This is my alt. Alright. Core package, custom package, and then alien menu. Alright, then import. Alright, then let's add the mod menu. It's pretty tough. It's mod menu stuff. Where the mod menu at, gang? Why is it all like this? Stuff. My bad. Sorry. Alright. Long, long, long arms. Alright. Now this is fully working. This menu looks tough. Like for a full. Long arms. It's like that. Banana. OS menu button. And then rest. Mesh render here. All this can. All this can. Alright. Then. Rest. and then create an empty, long arms, wait, purple, and then rest, just like that. Boom, it should work. Then this can be called, where's the mods? Oh, my thing disappeared. It's like that. Long arms, long arms, just like that. So let's select text, Mosa, Mosa, speed, Y, ghost, monkey, and then super, super monkey, super monkey, just like that. And then flip, no flip, just like that. And then next page, up, okay, get deleted. Page turners, um, banana, always menu button, always menu button, crust, purple, purple,
Reasons why you should get holiday tags based on AppLab. First, it's in the heat wave update with all these shiny rocks. We also have working forest with working lobbies also. And yeah, that is why you should get. These are 3 reasons why you should get freeze runners on AppLab. What's up, YouTube? So there's been some recent allegations that I got the Marketable Creator Badge, which is kind of shocking because I'm not like a big content creator. I don't think I could ever. I got marketable. It's the first time going in the creator. We got a forest. Thank you so much for getting me this freaking marketable creator badge. Thank you to the owners of Marketable. And subscribe! So there's been some recent allegations that I got the marketable creator badge, which is kind. Okay, you might be wondering, who is Cheeseman42? Well, there's this thing called Gold
I'm big. I'm big. I'm brave. I'm beautiful. Yes. I'm big. I'm brave. I'm beautiful.
All right. All right. Then just gonna duplicate this. Uh, tag sound spammer. Iron monkey. Uh, gorilla car. And then all these mods can get donated. Just coming soon. All right, this looks tough. For my gorilla hand. All right. And elf, and then menu, manager, and then menu, manager, alien, menu, turn it off, turn both of this off. All right. Alright. I'm not deleting the live stream, dude. Can make whatever I want. It's my content. Should look be good. Game good. Alright, let's disable this little thing.
Badge and Gorilla Tag. You might be thinking the illustrator or the admin badge, but you would be horribly wrong.
How long has this been game? 1 hour. TTJ, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. You're an entertaining content creator, and you're a great content creator about multi copies. So I'm subbed, I think. Let me check. But yeah, I'm gonna subscribe. I'm not subbed. So shout out to him. He's a great YouTuber. So yeah. The game might be on public app lab. I don't know. I mean, it already is, but I can't find it at all. Let's play test it. Oh, I forgot to add a free finger painter and admin badge. So let me add that real quick. Looking good. Pretty nice. Let's test this. Enable custom wardrobe. Test press. Alright, fully working. Disable. Fully working. Just like that. Just enable. I can enable the mirror. Look at that. Disable. Yeah, fully working. Fortnite emote wheel. Mod menus. Fully working. Can test press it. Just like that. And then bedroom mod. Fully working. With that. Goated. Pretty much. Looks tough. I'm just gonna enable the Fortnite emote wheel. Proof that it works. Not bad. This looks tough, like for before. Can I test press anything? Servers work. Servers fully work. Look at that. Microphone works. So if I go press the Fortnite emote wheel thing, if I test it, look at that. I press B. Fully working. It might just freeze your game for a bit. Yeah, fully working. Look at that. Server side done as well, so you can play it. You can play it with other people. Might be annoying though, so please don't use it in infection lobbies. It's bannable. So I can also disable it. Look at that. All my things are disabled. So yeah, look at that. I'm gonna also change the OS color thing. How to change. Oh. Should I also add like a loading screen? I should.
Now, load it. Name it anything you want. I would name it loading screen.
Alright, create.
Now, click in your scene. Then go to File, Build Settings, then press Add Open Scene to make sure you're in the loading screen scene. So, there. So, like, it can't, like, when you load the game, the loading screen can be the loading first scene. So now I'm gonna decorate my loading. I'm gonna decorate it
Scene?
also.
And then I'm just gonna do this thing. Screen.
I would really just add a sky.
Open. Save.
So, and make sure you do this. Press skybox material and press it on so like it doesn't have what's it called? References. Reflections.
Alright, then
Create
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything to my copy. It's not broken. I'm just watching a tutorial. Add open scenes. So here.
make sure you can use a normal cube too. But I have to use it.
Alright. Night.
And make sure you
Night.
Now,
What am
first
I
you're gonna wanna
doing?
Make it like that progress
Night.
whiteboard.
Sky. Just gonna do this.
And add the progress bar, the red. You can color anything you want. I recommend color making it red. Great. I'm gonna go with red since I make damage red.
Alright, then I'm just gonna do sky.
Now, crit should name it like loading sign. So make sure you can find it next to it, or you can just find it. Okay, now animate it and animate it that resize it, scale it to make that where it can like size the whole white bar progress, whatever you want to call it.
Alright, then. Alright, then I'm just gonna like add a plane or something. Cube. 3D object. Cube. And then I'm just gonna do this.
Go search up your animation clip name, then find it, then turn off fluid time so that it doesn't go through like when it finishes the animation it will stop. Yeah, that's what you should do. Now move your main camera
Animation. Animator.
You didn't do this. Turn off multi-select so you know where your main camera is pointing at. You should do this.
Wait.
Now,
Window,
the most
animation,
important part,
animation.
add
Something
something
here.
called track post driver in your component because if you don't add it, your screen will like in VR. If you move your screen, like your screen will move too. For example, if you move your stuff right here, the loading screen, loading progress bar will be right there too. And if you like add it, it'll be just like that. Like it'll rotate. You can move your body without like you be confused. Now add your text. I do this in a pretty weird way. I get the Gorilla Player rig and if I get its canvas and then paste it into the Hirachi. So yeah, you do your text right now. You have to. Now let me just do this.
It's alright. So, I gotta go to the bathroom. Loading
If there's
screen?
anything you want, like your name, I'm just gonna name a loading screen. It's just a test project, tutorials and stuff. Together. Now duplicate it, and if you're ever wondering how do you make it like this, if you're ever wondering how, I have a script for that. It's in the description. Uh, go to the link and download it. And once you downloaded that, have to import it first. It's not imported yet. It's already in my files anyway. Wait for it to compile.
Alright. Gonna get to the loading screen thing. Oh, I gotta go. Wait, no. Alright, then. New asset. One sec. What? What? I couldn't hear you. Okay, I know. Alright, bye bye. What? No. Okay, bye. Yes. Alright, bye bye. Sorry about that. Just adding a loading screen. Looks tough. This looks actually really tough, to be honest. The heck happened to the sky? Can't really do this. Black. Black looks good. Make it look shiny. Hey, that's good.
Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make an empty game object, and then you're going to want to name it anything you want. And then you're going to want to drag your script. Then you're going to want to get your text and drag it into there, this, to there. And for that, you're going to name your seed, like your game seed, right there. If you don't know what I mean, go to files.
Alright. So, did I get any errors? Errors. Alright. I'm just gonna animate this. Looks tough. Dang. Looks smooth. And then I'm just gonna grab the Gorilla player networked. Alright, now there's two gorillas. I'm just gonna copy this little guy. Go here. Tag anchor. I gotta prefab. It's kind of hard to do.
Settings. Make sure you put that in there too. Welcome to game.
Alright, then meta taggers v2. Let's get a bit. Looks tough. This here. And then I'm just gonna call this welcome to game. Just like that. Looking tough. Looks tough. And then create an empty. Call this loading. 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 Oh my gosh. Dang. Screen. Game, stop showing me the fake out gorilla tag ads. Time out this time. Alright. Then loading screen. Gorilla tag SJR. Wait. Here. See if this works. Oh, wait. Let me add the main camera. Move this a bit. Where is this thing? Okay, where is the camera? Game. Gang. Gang, bro. Gang. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Does this work? Hello, Unity? Hello, Unity? Respond. Wait, yo, this is sick. I just totally loaded in. Kinda takes a while though. Yo! Why won't my servers work? Is my server's not working? Oh. Why is it saying this? Saying unable to connect to the internet. Let me go back to Gorilla Tag. Save. See if this works now. Let's play test it. Alright. Why won't my servers work after that? So that was weird. We go back to the loading screen. Play. Wait. Let's play again.
Once you downloaded that,
Now my server should work. I think I might have fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it.
now
I don't know what the problem was with that.
floats, like it bounces up, down, like this. And let's see. You can do how I'm doing it. It's not just boring. I mean,
I'm gonna add some music because it's gonna be boring without music. So let me just do 30, 31. Right? And then I'm just gonna add like a loading screen. I'm gonna make this like red. Or maybe like, hmm. Ugh. Like this? No. It's kind of bad. But at least it's fully working. And I didn't get the internet error. Alright. So, um, Gorilla Rig. I'm gonna change the thing. I'm just gonna create a new material. Create material. Just gonna name the sky. This looks actually kind of tough. Looking good. Yeah, this looks good, bro. This actually looks good. Create material. I'm just gonna name this white. And then just do that. Just like that. And boom, it should work. Should work. I forgot to add the music. Yeah, at least it's working. I'm gonna move the camera a bit. And then create empty audio source. And I'm just gonna like do monkey need to swing master. Gorilla Tag got out a new alien update? What? That's a bit too loud, I think. Alright, fully working. Look at that. No internet errors. Yay, I can join servers now. I don't know what that error meant. But look, I can finally join servers. I'm gonna make the volume a bit down. Audio source. Alright, fully working. Let's play. I'm gonna build it now. So, virus, threat protection, manage settings. Okay. Virus. Alright, then I gotta go to File, Build Settings, Meta, Taggers, Fluff, Puff, and then, Gorilla Player, wait, Gorilla Texture, I guess, and then Publishing Settings, What? Browse, wait, no, I gotta get the key store. Alright, guys, it's almost done. Like, for real. It's almost done, guys. Stay tuned. Cool. Alright, where's the key store? Key store? Alright, then player, go to other settings. Then I'm just gonna do this. What is my version? Meta Quest Developer Hub. Meta Quest Developer Hub. App description. Alright. Meta taggers. 115. Five. Yeah, 32. Should work. Alright. Build. Meta. Taggers. And yeah, time to build. Be right back.